Good morning students. Today we are going to start a new lesson, altitude and the medians of a triangle. In the previous standard we have learned that the bisector of angle of triangle as well as the perpendicular bisector of its sides are congruent. These points of concurrence are respectively called the incenter and the circumcenter of a triangle. Let's see the first point, altitude. Altitude means what? The perpendicular segments drawn from the vertex of a triangle on the side opposite to it is called an altitude of triangle. Altitude means height of that triangle. Let's see here in triangle ABC. In triangle XYZ, here YQ is the altitude of an base on the base ZX. If there is one more triangle, suppose this is a triangle ABC. Here draw its altitude, means this AD perpendicular BC, then this AD is called altitude, means height of that triangle. To draw the altitude of triangle, see, first draw a XYZ triangle. After that, by using set square, name the point where it the meets sides YZ, this YZ, and as R, segment XR is the altitude on the YZ. This XR is altitude on the YZ. Here segment YQ is altitude on the base XZ, and ZP is altitude on the base YX. Means if you see these triangles like this, here ZP is altitude on the base XY. If you see the triangle by this section, here this XR is altitude on the base ZY. So these three are the altitudes. Here segment YQ perpendicular segment XZ, segment ZP perpendicular segment YX, and the third segment XR perpendicular segment YZ. So here segment XR, ZP and YQ are the altitude of a triangle XYZ. Here note that the three altitudes are concurrent. Concurrent means they meet in one point. These three altitudes are meet in one point. So these altitudes are concurrent. The point of concurrence is called orthocenter of a triangle. It is denoted by letter O. Orthocenter means where these three altitudes are meet in a single point. That point is called orthocenter. This is denoted by O. Let's see the next point, the location of orthocenter of triangle. See this first figure, this is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. And if you draw the altitude of all sides, means this is altitude from the vertex A, this is altitude from vertex B, and this is altitude from vertex B. See, these three altitudes meet here at point B. So the orthocenter of right angle triangle is the vertex of right angle triangle. Orthocenter of right angle triangle and vertex of is the vertex of right angle triangle. Let's see the next figure. This is the X, Y, Z. This is the obtuse angle triangle. If you draw the altitude of triangles from all vertex, see this X, we extend this side here and we extend the side XY also, and if you draw the altitude from the X A, XA is altitude, from point Y XB is altitude, and from Z this is XC is altitude. We extend the sides and draw the altitude. Their altitudes are meet to outside of the triangle. So the orthocenter of obtuse angle triangle is in the exterior of triangle, means the orthocenter of obtuse angle triangle is outside of the triangle. Let's see the third figure, that is a acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle means all angles are less than 90 degree, that is acute angles. Obtuse angle triangle means one angle is greater than 90 degree, that triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. And right angle triangle means one angle is 90 degree, this is called the right angle triangle. So in acute angle triangle, if you draw the altitude from the three vertex of the triangle, that is P, X, Q, Y, and these are Z, these are the altitudes, and these altitudes are concurrent. So orthocenter of acute angle triangle is in the interior of triangle, means inside the triangle. See, I repeat it again. Altitude of triangle pass through the exactly one point, that means they are the concurrent. The point of concurrence is called orthocenter and is denoted by O. The orthocenter of right angle triangle is the vertex of the right angle. In obtuse angle triangle, orthocenter of obtuse angle triangle is in the exterior of triangle, and in acute angle triangle, the orthocenter of acute angle triangle is in the interior of triangle.